Hey guys, Yogesh here from Utilize Your Business, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to get free leads in 15 seconds. Yes, you've heard it, in 15 seconds. Leads are a lifeline of any business, and especially for online marketers. What's the best thing about is you can get these leads free and it only takes you 15 seconds. Stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to tell you all about and how you can get started to getting these leads in 15 seconds. Welcome back. So Legendary Marketer just came out with a new program, how to get free leads in 15 seconds. They talked about a new platform. Probably you all have heard about TikTok. When you hear of TikTok, the first thing that comes to mind is funny videos done by teenagers or people lip syncing the songs. What that has to do with online marketer? There's a whole lot of world in the TikTok market. It's not only funny videos or people lip syncing songs, making fun of each other. It's all about marketing your business. There are people in the TikTok platform that probably are in your niche or in your business, people who are looking to get into online marketing. Best way is getting those people come to your world of funnel or to your world of being into the YouTube or getting into your email list, whatever it is. Whenever they come from TikTok, they can come to your world, and then you can talk to them all about different programs that you have to provide them and how to help them be successful in whatever they're looking for. Now, Legendary Marketer has just come up with a new program that talks about TikTok as a new platform and compares that with YouTube and how you can get leads. We're just doing a video for 15 seconds, 10 seconds, maybe 2 or 3 videos, short videos, and how you can get leads with that. Now, I'm going to go a little bit more in depth and take you to this program, what people have already been successful using this program. So why don't I take you into the program and tell you all about what you get from Legendary Marketer, and you'll be surprised of the amount of investment that you have to do to get into the program. So here's the sales page for the 15-second free leads that was just launched by Legendary Marketer. Now there's a video, it's about 6 minutes, talks about TikTok and how it can help online marketers with their offers. There are a couple of people who are being successful using Legendary Marketer's program in result. Here, just made a sales off TikTok. Only started putting videos yesterday. The result of 7 days challenge being on TikTok. Look at its total video views, more than 300, and on and on. Now talking about here's another one with a TikTok challenge, 34,000 video views, 437 followers. Now these are leads coming in daily, and on top of that, there's a 2 business builders challenge sales that he gets it while just putting a video and just explaining about online marketing and how they can be successful taking Legendary Marketer's online marketing course. I can go on and on about a couple more people who are being successful. So these are all testimonial. David Sharp talks about how to get results quickly. YouTube versus TikTok, how you can get results more quickly with TikTok using just short videos of 15 seconds. Now, so what you get in the program, the first one is the 15-second video topic. So what are the topics that you can use to make videos on it? So helps you with a topic. The second part is the how to develop a TikTok profile on your account, so that people exactly know who you are and how, when they want to get in touch with you, how they can get it, making a perfect TikTok funnel profile. How to get TikTok to actually share your videos so that you can get more views. And the fourth part is post exactly what your audience wants. How to do research on the audience that you're targeting and where to find that on TikTok using hashtag. The fifth part is the TikToks for technophobias, how to use use the app, different function, and how you can use to upload a video from your iPhone or smartphone, people who are not using iPhone, Samsung, etc. This is the mind-blowing that you get just for $1 you get everything. What you get is 15-second free leads training course that I went a little about it. 15-day online business challenge. Guys, when I started it with Legendary Marketer, you had to pay for this course. Now it's free. We had to pay $7 to get in the course. On top of that, you get a bonus of Facebook ads, high-ticket email templates, high-ticket video scripts, high-ticket phone script, and a personal one-on-one business plan consultant. So when you go through the 15-day online business building challenge, this 15-day building challenge, it talks about how to build your business online, what it takes, what you need to do. You also get one-on-one talk with the business plan. People who are working in Legendary Marketer, they talk with you. You are on the phone with them, depending on 30 minutes to an hour, just talking about how you can be successful on the online marketing. So you get everything for just $1. Now there are more testimonial about people using Legendary Marketer, using TikTok to become successful. All I gotta say, guys, you have nothing to lose. Just for $1 you can get all of this and start using TikTok to get free leads, and you don't have to make your videos that long. It's just 15 seconds short. Now on top of that, you get 30 days money back guarantee. Now just for $1 you get tons and tons of bonuses, and top of that he's giving you money back guarantee. It's a win-win for you. Especially if you're in online marketing, how to grow your business, how to get leads, and that's what every business is looking for. So I'll put a link below in the description. All I want you to do is, if you're serious enough and wants to get into promoting your offers, your business through videos, TikTok is the way to go. You only have to do short 15-second video. You can start getting leads, and then you can go and grow your business. Alright guys, so that's it. Hope you guys go ahead, invest $1 and see what this program is all about. I'm pretty sure you won't regret it. So if you have any comments about this video, drop a comment in the description section. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, why not? Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you get notified of any new videos that's coming up. Alright guys, see you later.